Dental exam.
Dental exam is an essential part of maintaining your oral health. During a dental exam, we aim to assess your overall oral health and identify any potential issues early on. It's a detailed process designed to keep your teeth and gums healthy. First, we'll start by discussing your medical history and any concerns or symptoms you may have. This helps us understand your unique dental needs and tailor the exam accordingly. Next, we'll examine your mouth, teeth and gums visually, checking for signs of decay, gum disease or other oral health problems. We may also use special tools like a dental mirror and probe to get a closer look at the hard-to-reach areas. We may take dental x-rays, such as panoramic x-ray and 3D CT scan, to get a more comprehensive view of your oral health, including the underlying structures of your teeth and jawbone. X-rays can help us detect issues like cavities, infections, or abnormalities that may not be visible during a visual exam. After completing the exam, we'll discuss our findings with you and provide personalized recommendations for maintaining or improving your oral health. Then our staff will provide a treatment coach and available treatment options to you. Overall, a dental exam is a comprehensive process focused on keeping your smile healthy and beautiful. By scheduling regular exams and practicing good oral hygiene at home, you're taking proactive steps towards a lifetime of healthy teeth and gums. If you have any questions or concerns about your dental exam or oral health in general, please don't hesitate to ask. Your smile is our priority.